Okay, I want to record a quick video about my upcoming webinar. I know a lot of you guys must be watching my quick story where I'm organizing an estate planning webinar. I know actually estate planning seems to be a very boring project, boring subject. But I can tell you that if you don't know about estate planning, how much you can lose if you do not structure your estate, how to pass on to the next generation. You can lose thousands and thousands of dollars if you don't seek a proper advice. So why don't you join me? I'll be having a state lawyer who's going to be answering your question, and also I'm going to be talking a few case studies which you can understand better, relatable to your situation. So